What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, on this channel we go over every day. I post daily price action, daily technical analysis on FTM and other crypto pairs. If there's something that you're interested in, smash the like button. If there's also feel free to in the comment section leave a suggestion of any crypto pair that you'd like for me to go over. Okay, this video is on FTM. Quick disclaimer: this is not investment advice. Do your own research. Do your own analysis. Okay, now let's get to it. So right now the time is 7:24. Daily candle closed about 30 minutes ago, and today's price action. So today we had a very nice thick bearish engulfing candle to the downside. Okay, right now price is at about $2.76. We basically continued down. Okay, so with seeing that, I personally think that with this clean traffic to the left, I think that price can come down some more. I think price can come down some more just because we can follow the daily momentum, which is bearish to the downside. Right now, let's see what the lower time frame tells us. Let's see if the lower time frames can tell us where price would go. Okay, so on the 4-hour, what we see first, I see that basically price is in a range. Price has been ranging between, well, price is currently ranging between 296 and let's say 275. Okay, so this could be a nasty range. There's no telling how long this range could last, but personally, while price is in this range, I would sit on my hands. Okay, but let's go on the 1 hour and see how the candles are forming on the lower time frame. Okay, so on the lower time frame, even though we are in this range right now, we're also at, some would say, if you're a pattern trader, we are at the neckline of this double top formation. Okay, so if you know anything about candle patterns, you would know that this is a double top formation. We have the first retracement, came down, second retracement, right? So if you were monitoring this in real time at around 10 a.m. today, you could have, after this bearish engulfing candle off the resistance at about $2.97, you could have easily got in. Just simply put a sell stop below, or around, you could put a sell stop around $2.90 and put your stop loss around $3 and easily rode this down to about this area here, which is $2.75, or basically the bottom of the range. Okay, but what I'm seeing now, where can price go now, right? In my opinion, from looking at the daily and the strong bearish engulfing candle, the strong bearish momentum, just looking at the price action, I would say price can, well, first of all, we have the first of all, price has to break below this support here at $2.74 or $2.75, right? And the price breaks below this support at $2.74, I would then be looking for some sort of retest of that broken support, turn resistance, and then get in on a bearish entry signal to the downside. Okay, if you've been following me for a while, you would notice that I'm basically saying the same thing, because that's just all it is. You feel me? It's trading is simple. Sometimes we kind of overcomplicate it, but it's really just that simple. You feel me? It's really just that simple. Just wait for your setups. If you don't get your setup, you don't do nothing, right? No sense in forcing the trade. When you force trades is when you lose trades. You feel me? Just wasn't meant to be. Okay, but that's what I see. On the 4-hour, we're in a range, but the range has a lot of bearish characteristics, right? Now, if price were to close above or break resistance and close above resistance at $2.96, I would then look for price to then, if price does this, I would probably start looking for a buy, right? And I would only enter my buy trading wise but a good entry signal for me, or what I like to take, would be, for those of you who are new, and to those of you who have been following me for a while, you would know I like to see break and retest. I am a break and retest trend trader. You feel me? So what that simply means is right now on the 1 hour, we are in a minor downtrend, counter trend. So I would need to see that counter trend, that minor downtrend break. Okay, and by seeing that break, it means we would have to close above the most recent lower high, which is at the top of is at $3. So I would need to see price break above the $3 price range, or the $3 price level where the lower highs are currently at, and then have some sort of retest to the broken resistance, hopefully turn support or structure, right? Which is, you can say it's depending on how you draw it. I have that at about $2.70. Okay, right? But now that don't, just because structure's there, that doesn't mean price has to come and retest and find support at that level. Price can literally do anything in here, right? But what we want to see is just bullish characteristics, which usually is higher lows on the lower time frames. That just shows that price is creating steps or wave formation to the upside. Okay, so simple analysis: wait for price to break out of this sideways range. Just wait for price to break out of the sideways range, and then just a simple break and retest for your entry reason, and then TP to the nearest up to the next structure level, right? Now, if you guys don't know what structure level is, on the 1 hour, I usually take my TPs off of at least the 1 hour, but I like to do up to 4 hour because it's a 4 hour just shows a cleaner structure, right? But I'm more bearish on this move right now simply because of the way the daily close. Okay, just because of the way the daily close and the days before, and we just retested resistance at $3.14. We tested resistance there, we broke above, but then the next candle quickly closed below and engulfed that candle that broke above. So usually after looking to the left, we've seen that when price did something like that, that we have a decline or a steep move to the downside, and it seems like that's what's occurring, also playing out once again. Okay, so yeah, so pay attention, be patient, wait for your signals, and make smart trading decisions. That's the video. Thanks for coming. See you guys tomorrow.